My job specifically is to manage after service from site installations and assist on commissioning and make sure the client is happy after installation.
My main responsibility is to help our customers and installers with their installation and system-related issues.
I've been working in the Middle East region for those 3 years, servicing customers, handling issues, troubleshooting, commissioning.
Is teamwork, efficient support across different nations, since we deal with many other countries.
I'm proud of the truth that we built as the Poland service team. Our customers really enjoy us and they always getting back to us because they know we are gonna help them very quickly.
The most challenging thing is to pass knowledge to the clients.
The biggest challenge in Poland is regulations and the system changing all the time, so I have to learn constantly and adapt the situation.
One of the challenges that I believe affects me the most is that you always need to find a way to deal with the customer. Customers are not just people with the same brochure. You should always be creative, you should always understand and listen to what they need and offer that to them.
What I'm looking forward to build next is to expand the horizon, increase product knowledge in the market to the installers, distributors, each and every client of ours, to make them understand more about the product.
I'm excited to build myself as an engineer in Growatt. The people here are amazing and they are helping me to getting better all the time.
The most thing I'm excited to build next in Growatt is by always being a better person. That's number one. Second thing is by being a better engineer. I should always improve my soft skills and technical skills to be able to help my team, help my colleagues, and at the same time service the customers in the best way possible.